guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys have been good, and today I'm doing a totally different type of video. It is my spa routine at home now that everyone is isolating and self-quarantine. It's the best time to just get your spa day on, and pamper your skin, give your skin that much needed attention. So without much further ado, let's get right into it. So I typically start by running a bath. I think baths are just so relaxing and just get into the groove and into the mood of getting my spa day on. I'm going to be doing like a mini facial routine, so stay tuned for that. I've noticed that when I do add certain special ingredients, they really help to nurture my skin. Here I'm just adding in some milk. Yes, I'm adding in some full cream milk, which is totally Cleopatra's style. And I'm also adding in some oats as well. Now the reason why I added milk and oats is because milk has got lactic acid, which is really good for your skin. It makes your skin soft and it helps to improve the overall complexion of your skin, while oats helps in treating dry skin and removing dead skin cells. Now I totally love this cleanser. It's a soap-free cleanser. It is absolutely perfect for my skin because my skin is quite sensitive, so it's non-irritating and it just basically gets rid of all the dirt and all the grime that I've got in my skin. So you need to make sure you work it right into your skin. Get in there, put your back into it and just get rid of all the dirt and grime. Now face washed, make sure you just gently tap dry your face, and we're going on to the fun part, which is the next step. Now I'm using this charcoal peel off mask. It is so interesting to use. I really like it. It's very good for your skin. One thing I love about this activated charcoal mask is its ability to draw out bacteria and impurities from the skin. It also helps to improve your complexion. This is so funny. It looks like I'm going to war, guerrilla style. It's perfect to fight acne, as it discourages the buildup of oil and sebum on your skin. So it's really interesting to put it on, because one point I got so scared I thought I was going to literally rip off my brows, but it's just nice. It's got a really cute it's got a nice fragrance to it, and it was just interesting to slather it on my skin. Now make sure you don't put it on your brows, because when the mask gets dried, your brows are going to get ripped right off. So I had made this mistake and I was just carefully taking out the mask and off from my brows. I'm just popping on some cucumber here on my eyes. Cucumber is so good for the eyes. It's soothing and it's got anti-inflammatory properties, which helps to reduce puffiness from your eyes. Ooh, let the spa begin. So here I'm just using my homemade body scrub. Do let me know if you want the recipe to this scrub. It's so good. It's coffee based, which is good for varicose veins and cellulites. So I'm just going to be doing a full body exfoliating treatment on my entire body as soon as I get the mask off. So let me know if you want that recipe. Now typically you want the mask to stay on your face for about 30 minutes. You really want it to get really dry, because the peeling part is the fun part. Now it's a tricky process to get the mask off. You have to be very patient. You don't want to rip it off your skin, because you're definitely going to hurt and injure your skin. You need to take it off slowly and just take it off section by section. Don't try and pull out the whole thing off at once. So I'm just going to be doing that quite gently. Again, a bit apprehensive, but hey, we're going to get in there and get it off my face. Now mask is off. It's honestly so weird, you know, and it was a bit funny at the same time, but the effect you get on your skin, it's absolutely soft. You can actually feel it right away how soft your skin is. Your skin just feels really smooth to the touch. So I'm just taking out bits and pieces I left behind and going on to the next step. Now this again is my homemade face scrub. It is amazing. I've been making this scrub for years. It's milk based because, as you know by now, I do love my lactic acid on my face, which milk has, and it's just basically a milk and honey based scrub. It is so good, very gentle on the skin, and it just exfoliates and takes out all of the dead skin cells, leaving your face incredibly smooth, soft and supple. Now I'm going to leave that on my face for a few minutes, say about 5 minutes, and it's time for me to get in the tub to finish off my full body exfoliating treatment and get rinsed down. I really hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe. I hope you'll be trying out your own version of your spa day. It really helps to ease off your stress levels and just make you relax. And until I come your way again, it's a toodles and a goodbye from me.